Welcome to another episode of Sabiduria de Trystin, episode 6. I just came out of meditation. It was a rather long one today, but the questions kept coming into my mind. How are you doing today? Are you tired of this lockdown? Are you waking up to protest? Are you waking up to have your voice cry out for no vaccines and you want to go back to work and all essential jobs, or all jobs are essential, I should say? Or is it another regular morning that you're waking up to homeschool your children? Is it another day for you to get up, put your garb on, and head to the hospital for your patient in anticipation to see if they're still there? Are you preparing to go to work in communications to allow and assist those who are working from home to stay in contact with the world? Are you going to the grocery store to start your day of stocking shelves? Are you going to the post office and working to see others there shifting their mail, providing the stimulus checks that the government has sent out to those who are eagerly awaiting it at home? Are you a politician holding a heavy weight on your shoulders, deciding the fate of so many lives? Whoever you are, wherever you are, please know that someone sees you, even though you may not hear words of appreciation. You may not hear words of encouragement. You are feeling immense, intense, extreme pressure. Please know you are supported in everything you do. During this lockdown, my sense of intuition, my sense of connection with the divine has intensified more than usual, because I have no other choice but to focus on it. My mind is not busy with the busyness of the day. Do I have a schedule? Yes. Are my children home being schooled? Yes. Do I still have to figure out bills? Yes. Do I still have to figure out dinner and breakfast and lunch? Yes. Do I have to figure out entertaining my children and keeping together and being with my husband? Yes. 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 All of those answers are yes. Am I one of the fortunate ones to still be working and getting a paycheck? Technically, my husband and I both are. And yet during this time, we are home with our children and working on our personal projects. At this very same time, we're very fortunate that I can be doing videos, fitness videos for others to purchase out there and still get paid to do what I love to do. So that is a blessing in itself. I do know that there are others out there that cannot do that, but there are so many jobs available if you're willing to join the healthcare facilities and showing the doctors and the nurses who need that assistance to take care of those who are ill. There are jobs opening now online. What a blessing it is to have technology. If you've been resistant to technology before, now is the time to jump on and just see how useful it could be. There's a lot of changing in perspectives here. You can see this lockdown as the negativity as it could be, and go out and protest. Be angry, yell, scream. But when you do, can you also see the flip side of what's going on? Can you see that you chose to go out to the front line and yell and scream to all of these individuals who are working out there, and you chose to go out there and protest and not get paid for it? If you're at home and looking at these protests and feeling angered and intensified, like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Can you see their flip side? Can you see what they're feeling? They feel powerless. They have no control. They are upset that their situation, are being dictated their situation, and they don't understand. So regardless of what it is, regardless of who it is, can you see their perspective? Can you see what's going on outside of your own bubble? That's what I mean about my intuition intensified during this time. I still have compassion for those who are yelling and protesting out there. I understand how they feel. I don't have to agree with them. I don't have to say that I think what they're doing is right. But I can stay here and respect that that's what they chose, and give them compassion anyway. I can respect those who think that the lockdown restrictions, there we go, are ridiculous and intense, and may not understand science, and think that drinking and disinfectants and Clorox and all those alcohol and all those poisonous materials, they can actually think that it will save their lives from an invisible enemy. Again, I don't have to agree, but I can show them compassion that that's what they thought. And although the evidence is flawed, that's what they thought. During this time of chaos, because we are in the midst of chaos, we have scientists that are arguing what's the best course. We have people that are dying. We have conspiracy theories abound. There's so many conspiracy theories happening. We don't know what's true. We don't know what's false. We have individuals that are following the words of non-scientists. We have individuals that are following the medical field. We have medical doctors out there saying one thing, and we have others saying another. So there's so much information and resources out there, and it's just bombarding us all because we don't know what is true and we don't know what is false. But if you remember that you are an energy being, you are so much more beyond this physical plane. And you gotta remember the number one rule, that every religion, every spiritual text, everything is mentioned. It's love. Love is the strongest power of them all. So how are you being connected into love? Love is not just sexual. Love is not just, aw, you're so cute. No, it's an evolutionary, the highest emotion out there. Martin Luther King said that it was one of the most powerful forces. You don't fight hate with hate. You're supposed to fight hate with love. And during this time, I think that is the best course to take with all the chaos around us. You know, some people call me a light worker. But I think all of us could be light workers. We all have light living within us, all of us. We just choose to hide it, cover it, or reveal it to all. And it doesn't matter how you do so. You're just supposed to show your light. So during this time of chaos, when everything seems the darkest, everything seems to be murky and yucky and this is the time for your light to shine. This is the time for you to contemplate, what is my purpose here? Is it taking too much of my time? Is it making me feel good to protest? Is it making my situation brighter? Is it making my life better? Is me being home with my children for their safety making my life better, making my life happier? How can I make my children shine and me shine and everyone work together and be glory? For those who are stuck home with their abusers, me staying home and not seeking out help, is there light in that tunnel? Am I seeing light? Maybe that's what we should focus on today, tomorrow, or this week. Sometime find a time to see if you can find the light at the end of the tunnel. See if you can connect with the inner light within you. And if there's a lot of darkness living within you, like a lot of past memories, a lot of hurt, a lot of pain, a lot of injustice that has happened to you and is blocking that light, you're going to have to go through the murky. You're going to have to go through the dark. You're going to have to go through the yucky to see that light again. But have courage. You're supported. Have courage that someone is around seeing you. And if there isn't a physical person right now seeing you, I'm seeing you. Your higher power is seeing you. Your angels, your great spirits, God, Allah, whatever you call your highest power, it is seeing you. It is there. Reach out and feel. Reach out and see that light. And you don't have to agree with everything you see or hear, but allow love to penetrate the situation so that you can reach your highest power. You can reach your highest good. You can reach your highest level. I love you all. We may not agree with what's going on. We may approach this very differently. But always remember the rules of love. If I love you, I respect you. I respect your differences. I don't need to agree. I see you as a human being. And that in itself deserves love and respect, because you are a human being. You are a fellow resident of this planet. You are an earthling, as I am an earthling. You are human, as I am human. You bleed, I bleed. You have light within you, I have light within me. The divine lives within you, the divine lives within me. And it's because of that connection, it's because of that I respect your life. There's a difference between respecting actions and respecting your life. I respect the fact that your existence is essential here, and it's beyond my comprehension. So with that in mind, practice compassion everywhere you go. Be kind everywhere you go. Be kind to yourself. Take this time to be kind to yourself. Take this time to self-care. For those of us who are home, we're home. We have time to remove the busyness of our minds, of our hearts, of our bodies, and become a better human being. So that way, when we finally do open, when we finally do return to our jobs and to our work lives, our minds are better focused, are better settled, are calmer, serener, sharper, because we are now focused on doing the best job we can ever do, because we were home all this time without nothing to do. Be blessed, everyone. Much love again. Namaste.